Welcome to Daytime Ottawa here on Rogers TV. The Ottawa Senators have sold. That's all I'm going to say. It's about time. Let's dive right in with our next guest because Father's Day is just around the corner and you want a wow dad or, of course, that special guy in your life. Well, Mom in the Know is here to help out. Julie Findlay joining me, and we're here to cheers. This is how we're starting here.
Starting it off. Crack open your beer.
Okay. All right.
Take a swig.
What? I'm going to... So there's no actual... You got a twist off.
Socks.
Oh, they're beer socks.
Yeah, there's socks. Time and again.
Get these?
I have to say, I think that's why they call it time and again. Time and again, they come up with these good ideas.
Clever.
I'm pretty sure they came up with that. But they've got that. This is like your local gifts. Yes.
Right? Like it's a lager. So you've got, what, a stout there or something? Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, so that's a first gift you can give to your dad or your partner or...
Dad loves socks.
Yes, everybody loves socks.
Do I have my good sock game today?
Oh, yeah.
It's
Do you want me to
not
lift up to show?
Yeah, well,
okay,
I don't know
here
if
we
we
go.
can. All right,
Those
there.
are some
Can we
good
get
socks?
They're
I
not
think the beer socks we could do.
They're actually my Ukraine socks. See, the colors of Ukraine.
Yeah, don't put your foot on the table.
Okay, sorry. Let me just sanitize that, and we're done.
You know we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so what I love about Father's Day is for some reason they always like grilled stuff, which is great.
Why?
Out of the kitchen, I don't know. I guess they love to barbecue.
We do.
And you know what? To be honest, I'm not that great of a barbecuer. Like I can do it, but I think it's an attention thing for me. Like I put it on, and then I go to do 10 other things, and I'm like, oh, the grill. But I'm getting better. So
apologies to my wife. She's exactly like that.
Yeah.
A quick story. I came home one day and I smelled something in the oven.
It was really good,
okay?
Right?
Yeah, it smelled great, but it was ready. And so I'm like, where is she? I go, she's taking a bath and there's cookies in the oven. I mean, you don't put cookies in the oven and take a bath,
but
Julie.
She probably could have come out on time. Who knows?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so.
The grill is
honey.
where it's at, and it's all local and fresh. Like, look at these colors, and
Looks
I know
amazing.
no one can smell this at home, but the smells in here are fantastic. So we're going to make three things. We're going to make a grilled veggie sausage.
Okay.
We're going to do a chimichurri steak.
All right.
And then we're going to do shots today, but they're going to be strawberry lemon curd shots. But you know, just that. Remember, woo. I don't know. But all to say, all summer we're kind of getting that like burger bar or sausage bar up to date. So you can definitely pickle anything. I've got some pickled jalapenos.
Love that.
Everybody has something different with their mayo, so get to be creative. And of course, any Ontario local cheese is great to have on the bar.
Absolutely.
So what I'm going to do right now is make with our local asparagus, which we've all just agreed has been so good.
Yeah.
So a pound of asparagus. I've got a half of a big red onion, local. I've got a pepper, sweet pepper, any color, thinly sliced.
Thinly sliced.
Thank you.
That's what you're looking at.
Yes, and then I'm just going to mix it with a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to have the grill already going, and I'm going to throw it on a grill sheet. I'm going to have it going for about 20 minutes.
So
and
this goes right on your grill? Is that the idea?
This goes right on your grill. This is from Kitchenalia, super easy. And that's the other thing, when you're thinking Father's Day, up your game on your barbecue. Like give that new veggie basket or whatever tongs you need. And there's even a service that actually cleans your barbecue.
Yes, I've seen that.
So that's another good one too for everyone at home.
I wouldn't use it simply because it's my barbecue. Like, I don't want anyone else touching it. You know, they don't know. They need to treat it with love and care.
Yes.
TLC.
Yes, I guess that's how I feel about my children. I never thought about it with my barbecue.
Same.
Okay, once it comes off the grill, you're just going to take 2 teaspoons of either balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar, put it on for a little sauce, and then you're just going to take your sausages.
So you're adding this as like a condiment.
This is a topping. I thought I'd double you up a sausage, but that looks like a lot. It's better to condiment. So get some napkins because this is going to be messy.
This is a great date night idea.
Yeah, first date, this is it for sure.
Then you know.
And then you take some chopped fresh tomatoes and you've got yourself your veggie burger.
You got like your fully loaded veggie sausage
burger for you.
This is for me?
That's
I'm
for
not
you.
eating this on live television. I just can't do it.
I know. Okay, and then the next thing, everybody likes a steak. They like to grill it. So this is steak with some cherry tomatoes. So I forgot to I've got these cherry tomatoes that already come on the vine.
Yeah.
So super easy to put on the grill to heat them.
Gotcha.
But if you are going to grill your cherry tomatoes, you're going to just skewer them and put them on the grill.
Great idea.
So if you are using wooden skewers, make sure you soak them for about 20 minutes so they are nice and wet and you're not lighting
There could be a fire hazard,
exactly.
is what you're getting
and
at.
Trust me, people at home, I have done it. Like, I've done everything you can on a grill. So you've got that.
Lesson learned.
But the chimichurri sauce, super easy. Foodlandontario.ca, TV recipes, you can get it. But quickly, it's 1 cup of fresh parsley.
All right.
You're going to put in your blender with a 1/2 cup of cilantro.
Love it.
So again, keep in mind, these are things that you could be growing in your garden starting now.
We just started, actually. Yeah.
And then super fresh in the stores too. And then 1/2 cup of fresh mint.
Nice.
I do that with 2 cloves that I've chopped up. I'm gonna pulse it until it's blended enough, and then I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of red wine vinegar.
Okay.
It's gonna turn it more into a sauce, and then have your blender on low as you're slowly pouring in the olive oil, which is 2/3 cup. And you can see it's already getting, so even if you pour it all in together and you have a bullet, say that's what you have instead of a blender, put it all in and blend it.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it's gonna turn into this no matter how you do it, right?
And you could put this all over your steak, you could put on your salad,
stuff is
pork,
so good.
chicken. You know, I even left a spoon out for you to taste it.
I didn't realize how simple it was to make it.
I know, and it tastes fabulous, and it lasts up in your fridge, and of course spices, everyone I forgot.
So good.
A teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of cumin.
Apologies to the other guests that are coming up. It's got a little garlic in it, so I'm just, throwing that out there for you.
Garlic's good for you.
All right, let's move over
now
to
we're doing
the shots.
Okay, so in the end, this is what it's going to look like. Strawberries with your lemon curd whipped cream with, I really loaded up the toasted.
You love the toasted coconut.
Yeah, so on a pan or on your barbecue, just toast it. But really what you're doing is 1/3 of whipped cream, which ends up being about a cup.
Okay.
You're going to throw in a 1/4 cup of lemon curd. So lemon curd is found in your grocery store in the jam aisle. It's also found at time and again. They're known for that. Or if you go to eggfarmers.ca, the easiest thing to make, it's 5 eggs, sugar, lemon, and that's it. And you've got lemon curd, and it lasts forever.
This
I can
is
eat lemon
delicious.
curd. I know.
This is so good.
You can eat lemon curd no matter what. So really what you're doing is you're taking whatever small glass. So everyone knows local strawberries. Picking in the fields will be end of June, but our greenhouse strawberries are there and ready to go.
I didn't realize we were doing that. You just told me before the show. I said, what are you bringing in strawberries for? What are they? This is in California?
No,
You're like,
you
we
can
have greenhouse
tell those
now.
ones from California. They're so big, I'm afraid at how big they are.
Not only that, there's no flavor.
No, there's no flavor at all.
Paint a piece of cardboard red, really, and just start eating. I mean, that's what your California strawberry.
So you're going to add this to the top. You're going to put it in the fridge to chill for about a couple of hours or overnight if you want to do it. And everybody has their little strawberry shots.
And a little sprinkle of coconut, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, and then you're ready to open another beer. And this is like a trivia beer.
This is trivia now. So you've got the socks and the trivia. Okay.
You have to guess.
Hit me.
How did we do this?
Oh, dear.
Oh, boy.
You
just got to give you the beer, and you have to guess which one it is.
What kind of beer it is?
Yeah.
Dos Equis.
Okay, perfect. This could be like a speed game if I got my fingers out of there.
Like 10 seconds left.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
I have no idea.
I could give you a hint. It's from Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, and also it's the name for this cerveza was inspired by the ocean that lies near the brewery.
No idea. We'll be right back after this.